Guys, maglo-load tayo ng ating pang number 26 na tower. 26 na guys, 12 na lang yung natitira. Baka matapos namin bago mag Christmas. Ang expecting ko mga 22 ang last na biyahe namin. Saturday yan dito guys sa Canada, or baka earlier than that pag walang storm, walang snow, all the way to before Christmas. Yeah, matatapos namin to guys kasi 12 na lang natitira. Pizza 5 pa lang ngayon. Yep, malamig guys. Yung Easterman ko andito na, kadarating lang. Dinalhan na naman ako ng aking paboritong kape pag umaga. Malamig ngayon. Na-prepare ko na yung mga gamit namin kahapon. Pagdating namin dito kasi dumiretso ako dito sa yard. Iniwan ko lang yung trailer ko dito. Tapos pumunta ako sa town para bumili ako ng aking ulam sa Filipino store, Filipino restaurant, sa kay Ate Emma sa Sierra Madre Restaurant. Masarap yung kanilang mga niluluto. Tsaka binigyan pa nila ako ng libreng higop ng papaitan. Masarap sana kung may whiskey. Kaya magluluto tayo ng ating number 26 ngayong araw na ito. Thursday ngayon dito. Meron pa tayong 2 araw na trabaho na natitira sa Friday at saka Saturday, kasi 6 days a week ang biyahe namin ngayon guys. Medyo okay naman. At yun lang. Abangan nyo mamaya si Pinoy Heavy Haul. Thank you guys. Shout out sa kay La Union Trucker. Sa aking kaibigan dyan sa La Union sa Norte. Guys, shout out mo ko guys sa mga taga Santa Ines. Kung bumabiyahe ka ng Manila South, pagdadaan ka ng Santa Ines pabalik ng Dagupan, shout out mo ko dyan. Saka sa Tarlac, mga kaibigan nating trucker sa Tarlac. Sa Santa Ines guys, yan yung mga stop namin dyan dati nung panahon sa end ng North Expressway. Pag bumiyahe kami ng Dagupan sa may Puso Rubio. Shoutout sa mga South Roaders papuntang Bicol ang biyahe. Yung mga hinihintuan natin dyan sa Quezon Province, sa Santa Elena. Shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan sa Candelaria, sa Lucena. Sa Pagbilao guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat sa Pagbilao. Sa mga Filipino truckers na humihinto dyan sa Pagbilao sa Ahon, lagpas ng Lucena, yung unang ahon dyan guys, yung trakwa sa gilid papuntang Atimunan. Yan, papuntang Atimunan yan. Pagbilao, Atimunan, yan, ganyan. Kaya malamig. Pinaandar ko na yung ating mga gamit, yung ating mga pony motor na para uminit yung ating hydraulic. Kasi yung hydraulic na gamit namin is hydraulic ng eroplano. Yung sa landing gear nya, yan ang ginagamit naming hydraulic. Kahit anong lamig nya, hindi siya naninigas or something. Hindi siya tumitigas. Malambot pa rin siya, pero kailangan lang natin painitin ng konti, you know, para ma-circulate. Ano ba ang tawag nun? Circulate yata ang tawag, no? Bahala na sila umintindi dyan. Shout out sa kay Grace Makuha na nag-comment sa ating sa ating YouTube video. Hope you like it, boss. Ganito lang ang kaya ni Pinoy Heavy Haul, maging truckers. Born to be a trucker, so Pinoy Heavy Haul. Okay guys, dyan muna kayo guys. At double check natin yung mga pin natin kung natanggal na ba. Baka maglo-loading tayo, meron pa ring pin na nakalagay.
Hey, when you come back, push the swamper side in for me about half a foot.
Okay, bring your steers to the swamper.
Yeah, but remember I'm out on the back, right?
Yeah, that works. Can reach the power.
Say again?
Your remote work from where you are.
Yes, sir. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, 20 feet. Keep it coming, 15. Down to 10. 8, 7. Keep coming. 6, 5, 4, 3. A little more, buddy. 2, 1. Hold up. I just want to check clearance. Okay, bring her back. I need a foot, so nice and easy back. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Just stepping in. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. A little more. Give me a little more. A little more. Stop. Okay, give me a little more back. Just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. A smidgen. Stop. Okay, I may need just a hair ahead, but let me put her over in. Don't move. I need a hair back. Just a hair. Just a hair, just a hair, just a hair. Just a hair. Just a hair. Stop. Okay, right there.
All good? Well, your radio, there's a problem.
There's others on both sides, but yeah, we're in.
And now I realize okay.
Ready? Going up.
Yeah. Up.
My rubber's good.
Huh?
My rubber's good.
Yeah. All good here too.
You good?
Yeah.
Gonna come down soft first time. Okay, gonna go up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slam it. Ready?
Hold tight. Okay.
Slamming it.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Got it. But why there's no... Is the pony motor low and idle, eh?
That's right.
The pony motor low and idle?
Yeah, no. I had the control partly on because it kept stalling out.
Auto. Hold tight.
So I thought we had 14 more of these. We only got 12 more after this, eh?
The what?
I thought we had 14 yesterday, but I only counted 12 today. After this one.
Yeah. All the way up. We need to push that damage
Yeah, I'm gonna push damage over.
towards me. Okay, that's it, I guess. 4 inches here. 4 inches. Huh? 4 inches in my hand.
Got 2 fingers.
2 fingers? Lots here.
Oh, that's way too much.
That's good, I guess.
Oh, you got 4. You got another big thing on your side.
Huh?
We're good. I'm gonna lower it. Coming down.
Yeah.
That's a big piece.
Yeah. Touching.
Pardon?
Touching here. Touching.
I'm not touching.
You're not touching yet? You need to push going this way?
Good, good.
Okay, right there.
Coming down.
Yeah. Go ahead. Woo. Perfect. That's perfect. Down in a merry trip.
I'm gonna steal both of those. Thank you, sir.
You next to do is you're gonna pin in, hey? Pin the tower. This is already here. Guys, oh shit, it's bent. Happy now. Why that bent already? Why is that bent already? I need this for my shalala. Shalala la 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 la. Guys, I need to sungkit in this thing here, the keeper. I don't know what do you call this thing. But every time I need to sungkit. Safety chain, guys. Okay. Guys, kung maganda ito, pagka tinanggal mo itong lock, mag-ano kaagad ito magre-release. Ngayon, shut off natin yung ating brakes. Brakes natin dyan. Okay, brakes natin. Tanggalin natin itong ating brakes dito, guys. Yeah. Like that. Like that only, guys. Now we can drop the air, the trailer. Okay, just pin in your. Did you pin it already?
I didn't touch any of that yet.
No, pin in your
Okay,
thing
you
now.
want me to lift it, pin it?
Yeah, you can pin that so you never forget. He is always forget the job because he's not done yet. He's gonna move now. I realize. Guys, na-hook up na natin yung ating dolly. Ngayon, itataas natin yung ating E-frame.
Yeah, keep her going, buddy. Little more, little more, little more. Hold. Take it ahead slow for me. Keep her going. A little more. 3, 2, Keep going. 1. You got it. Take it up a bit.
Watch yourself.
Yeah, take it up a bit. A little more, a little more, a little more. Stop for a sec. Alrighty, just take her up nice and slow. Keep her going. A little more. 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 Keep her going. Keep her going. Keep her going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Stop. Okay, back it up, take pressure off. Keep her coming, keep her coming, keep her coming, stop. Okay, you're free. Okay,
Kaya ka na
I'm out of the way.
Kaya ka na move forward.
Alright, Roger, buddy. You got a good 3 feet on everything here.
Robin Christopherson.
Intersection is a lot of space.
Par. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Brooks, Alberta. Kaka-off drive lang natin, guys. Bukas maglulod ulit tayo ng tower. Walang katapusang tower, pero 12 na lang natitira, guys. Mailod bukas ang isa, 11 na lang. Matagal-tagal na rin, guys. Mga 1 buwan at kalahati na yata ako rito. Mga 1 month and 2 weeks na dito sa biyaheng ito, sa project. 6 days a week ang trabaho namin, ang hauling namin, kaya medyo nakakapagod din sa araw-araw. Pero okay lang. So medyo okay naman ang bayad. Pumarada tayo dito sa truck stop kasi maliligo tayo bukas ng gabi. Bukas ng umaga pala. Bukas ng gabi. Bukas ng umaga guys, bukas ng umaga maliligo tayo bukas ng umaga. Shoutout nga pala guys sa kay ano? Shoutout sa kay Rolly Chanko. Shoutout sa kay saglit lang guys. Clifford Transport. Happy birthday. Bye, happy birthday sa iyo, bye. Clifford Transport. And sa Oil Country, aka Ninjago City, aka Edmonton. Let's go Oilers to play La Bamba baby. Yahoo. Bye bye Clifford Transport. Happy birthday sa iyo, bye. Amping permi bye sa biyahe, bye. Amping ba, amping. Happy birthday. And let's play La Bamba baby. Go Oilers. Oilers. Hockey Oilers. Calgary Flames and Edmonton Oilers. Okay guys. And sa kay Rolly Chanko, shout out. Ingat ka palagi kaibigan. Salamat sa suporta mo sa Pinoy Heavy Haul. Shout out sa kay Mama Vicky ng Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And shout out sa aking mga kasamahan dati sa KRV Trucking. At saka sa Diggs Transport ng Novaliches, sa Novaliches. Shout out sa inyo lahat yan. Baka nanonood kayo si Boss Diggs. Baka nanonood si Boss Diggs. Shout out sa iyo, Boss Diggs. Sa Diggs Transport, sa Pandero Trucking, shout out. Okay guys, salamat sa inyong lahat. At tayo'y magpapaalam na. Adios amigo.